Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add two numbers using the C program. This program is a very basic program and it also helps you to understand how to write a simple logic using the C language. In this program, you need to write a small logic where you need to add two entered number and need to display their summation on the console screen. So if you think the basic logic, because you need to store two number, so you have to create two container. Because the number is integer type, so you need to create a container integer type. So here you can see num1 and num2. Num1 and num2 is the two integer container, and I have created another one sum which used to hold their summation. So the basic concept here, when you will create num1 and num2, then in memory two container will be created like this. This is the num1 and this is a num2, and the third one also because we need to store their summation, so here and another container sum. Okay, initial value of this container is 0 and the initial value of num1 and num2 is the garbage value because they are local variable. So what will happen in C programming, scanf is a function which used to get the user input. So and this function used to display the message. So this message will be displayed on the screen, on console screen, enter two number, then user enter two integer value num1 and num2. Suppose user enter 3 and 4. So 3 will be go in num1 and 4 will be go in num2. Okay, then your next task is to add this value. So C also provides some arithmetic operators. So plus is used here to add two number. So you can see in this statement here I have written num1 plus num2. So what will be the happen here? The value of num1 and num2 will be add and their addition will store in sum. So what will happen? 3 plus 4 is 7. So now here 7 will store in some variable. In the last, what I am doing, I am displaying the value of sum using the help of printf function on the console screen. I think you are able to understand this basic logic here. So let's compile this code and see the behavior. You can see that I have already written this code, and here I am using the code block to compile this code, and I have written all the things. So let's compile this code. Build and run. Here you can see that because I have written a message in printf function, so this message displaying on my console screen, and it is waiting for input because here I have used scanf. %d is here format specifier, it is for an integer. So here I have used two format specifier because I want to get two integer value here. So going to enter 3, then hit enter button. Now it's asking for the second value, so now going to enter 4. Yes, now you can see the addition of num1 and num2 is 7. So this is the basic concepts. I hope you are able to understand this program. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.